How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will show you how you can record your screen on your macOS with macOS Ventura with sounds. So let's check it out. The first and very foremost way to record your screen is to press that Shift, Command keys and 5, and then you're going to find out this little window will appear on your Mac. Now here, if you choose this one, which says record entire screen, or you can choose record or portion of the screen from here as well. Now let's talk about this one first. If you click here, this is going to give you all this window, like you can customize it the way you want. However, if you click on this is gonna record the entire screen. Well, now the next thing is we're gonna talk about where you can save them and how you can add the external sound with your record. If you click on this option here, and then you'll be able to see first option. This is basically for your location. You can click on other location in order to set your preferable location on your Mac. So I'll choose desktop from here. I'll create a folder. And then I'll click on create, and the folder will create and my screen record will be saved over here. Click on choose, and now if you go to the same spot, so from here, if you choose the none, that means no sounds will be available when you're recording your screen. However, if you choose that MacBook Pro's microphone, or if we're using an external microphone, you can choose the first one, which is now disabled because we're not using any additional microphone with the MacBook Pro. But if you choose this one, MacBook Pro microphone, and now your record will be available with that sounds. Now, of course, if you click on record, and now you'll be able to see a little a round icon will be appears on top. Now your screen is recording. So let me just do a little workaround to see how it works. So now once you're done recording with your MacBook Pro, you can simply click on over here in order to stop it. Here you'll be able to see a little thumbnail option will appear right here. You can click it to open that. Now you can click on done to save it on your Mac. Now here, let me check that audio quickly here. Now your screen is recording, so let me just do a little workaround to see. Well, as you guys can see, that was actually recording with my voice, so I'll click on done in order to save it. Now let's talk about another way of recording your screen, which is even easier than this one. If you're going to do that, the first things we're going to tell you to do, click on your Spotlight search and now type QuickTime Player. And then you're going to be able to find out this option called QuickTime Player. If you click over here on the file, and then what's going to happen, you're going to see these three options. First one is movies recording, audio recording, and third one is screen recording. If you click over here, and then it's going to give you exactly the same windows that we have showed you earlier. Now, if you click on record, of course, it's going to be start recording. And now let me just go ahead and quickly record something over here to see how it really works. Well, now if I open up this browser, for example, and then if I play this music, well, now I have actually recorded this music here. Now, once you're done recording your screen, click on here, and then this is going to be stopped, okay? Now, if I play it, then you'll be able to hear the audio, okay? So let me play that. Well, now if I open up this browser, for example, and then if I play this music, alright guys, so these are the ways you guys can follow in order to record your entire screen on your Mac with audio and without audio as well. Hope you find this video useful. If so, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to get more useful video content for your Mac. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.